As indicated by our very current CHILIZ cost expectation, the worth of CHILIZ will expanded by 221.96%, coming to 44 cents by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the trepidation and veracity file is perusing 16.51, and that implies intense apprehension. Our CHILIZ estimate: it's hazardous to sell CHILIZ at this moment. On walk 6, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while most certainly different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a kind of broad negative feeling among CHILIZ cost expectations. See the sort of accurate CHILIZ cost forecast underneath. You will know the amount CHILIZ generally is exceptionally worth in the next few long stretches of time, which is very critical. Throughout the course of recent days, CHILIZ has generally diminished by 16.87%, which is genuinely critical. Because of this, we can sort of get with the exception of an especially slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of CHILIZ expanded by 113.19% and came to approach around 26 cents. At present, all pointers in every way that really matters are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness file shows 16.51 intense feelings of dread in a for the most part enormous manner. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell CHILIZ in a real sense. Presently, CHILIZ is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving sort of normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a CHILIZ selling signal. The cost of CHILIZ especially is presently running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal SMA, and it certainly shows a sell signal, which is very huge. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 17 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, CHILIZ's exceptionally momentary 50-day SMA shows a 14 cent in an essentially significant manner. The overall strength file, RSI, energy oscillator, most certainly is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money in a real sense is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. CHILIZ, CHZ, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, CHILIZ came to 15 cents when it especially dipped under $0.0997. Interestingly, since January 2021, in a by and large significant manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, CHILIZ is headed to passing the 27 cents mark before the current year is over. Incredibly, before 27 cents, it might break its characteristic of 89 cents and reach, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, CHILIZ will break its past all-time sort of high of 89 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 27 cents soon, in a quite enormous manner. At this point, on 6 walk 2023, CHILIZ certainly is exchanging at 12 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume sort of is around 41.92 M, and it generally makes number 60 cash in the truly entire crypto world. In an unpretentious manner, CHILIZ value forecast 2024. There is plausible that CHILIZ can get through the 32 cents boundary and hold the market toward 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. The least CHILIZ cost will be between 26 cents to 32 cents, and the most probable CHILIZ cost will be somewhat consistent at around 31 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite CHILIZ's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically hostile energy utilization, very rich person adventure, especially entrepreneur Tim Draper, is adhering to his expectation that CHILIZ will reach 32 cents toward the finish of 2024, or in every practical sense, mid-2024. CHILIZ value expectation 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists truly anticipate that CHZ will in every practical sense begin the year at 36 cents and exchange around 44 cents. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with genuinely a year ago. This in every practical sense is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. CHILIZ value forecast 2026. There especially is a very decent possibility that CHILIZ 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise truly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal, really most extreme 56 cents level in a significant manner. CHILIZ sort of is explicitly anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of 54 cents or 56 cents in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of CHILIZ. CHILIZ value forecast 2027. CHILIZ value expectation or CHZ, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it has the extremely potential to, in a real sense, accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. CHILIZ's cost most certainly is supposed to basically outperform 56 cents in 2027, or so they thought. It by and large has been especially anticipated that CHILIZ will, for the most part, arrive at the greatest cost of 56 cents, and the essentially least cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally be around 47 cents in every practical sense. Next, a long time from 2027. CHILIZ figure 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that CHILIZ value expectation and specialized examination, CHILIZ is supposed to basically cross a value level of 63 cents in 2028. In the meantime, CHILIZ is supposed to sort of arrive at least cost of 58 cents this year, or so they basically thought. The greatest cost may basically reach 65 cents, which is very critical. CHILIZ CHZ value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The CHILIZ value forecast and specialized examination fundamentally foresee that the expense of CHILIZ will reach 87 cents, and the cost of CHZ ought to reach 87 cents before the year is over in an unobtrusive manner. Also, CHZ can, in every way that really matters, reach up to 82 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for CHILIZ development, or so they thought. CHZ value expectation 2030 of every 2030, CHILIZ value expectation generally are supposed to cross the $1.25 normal cost level, as per CHILIZ estimate and specialized investigation, or so they thought. Toward the finish of 2030, CHILIZ's base cost is supposed to be $1.18. Moreover, CHZ can arrive at a most extreme value level of $1.26 in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, CHILIZ will have a kind of typical cost of $1.26. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, or so they, in every way that really matters, thought. CHILIZ value forecast 2031 CHILIZ cost is assessed to by and large reach $1.67 by 2031, at least amazingly, with a sort of typical exchanging cost of $1.71 all through 2031. CHILIZ's worth could come to $1.74 at its most elevated, which by and large is genuinely critical. The experts really anticipate that the most extreme cost should exchange around $1.71. CHILIZ gauge 2032 out of 2032, CHILIZ will, in every practical sense, attempt to arrive at the fundamentally the least degree of $2.28. It might attempt to get the very greatest and next top level of $2.36, with the typical estimate cost of $2.34, which is very huge. It might for the most part break the past high and proceed to its powerful in an unpretentious manner. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we sort of foresee it will arrive at its next level. However, it might especially dump. Moreover, what will explicitly be the least